Grade 4 and 5, English Home Language, Language Structures and Conventions with Miss Lizelle Wilkinson, Part 3 of 6. Disclaimer. The work to be done during this PowerPoint and video presentation covers the work for the language conventions and structures intended for Grade 4 and Grade 5 home language learners by Miss Lizelle Wilkinson. All information is original content. If you have any questions, please ask your parents and or caregiver to send me an email at teacherlizelle@gmail.com, or you could send me a WhatsApp message on 079 751 2777. Punctuation. We get a lot of different punctuation marks. We are going to look at a couple of these. Full stop, used at the end of a complete sentence. Example, and that is how the story ends. Full stop. Exclamation mark, used to end a sentence to show a strong feeling or emotion like surprise, anger, or shock. Example, look up there, she yelled. Comma, used to separate parts of a sentence. It can also be used to separate items in a list. Example, we had apples, cheese, and water. We had apples, comma, cheese, and water. You don't always say the word comma, you take a breath. Listen nicely. We had apples, cheese, and water. Question mark. Used to end a sentence that asks a question. For example, what is the date today? Parenthesis or brackets. Used to add additional information. Example, he gave me money, 10 rand, in brackets. Dash. Can be used to add information / clarity instead of a colon or brackets. For example, these people have the same responsibility dash to serve the public. It gives more information on the sentence you have just said. Ellipsis indicates that something has been left out or is not finished. For example, I don't know, ... I'm not sure, full stop. Ampersand, used to represent the word and. Example, at the zoo we saw lions, zebras, bears, and monkeys. Colon, use after a complete statement to introduce a list or an example. Example, do you see the colon after the word example? You know what to do, colon, practice, full stop. Speech marks or inverted commas, used to show that someone is speaking. For example, the boy said, I don't know. Apostrophe, for contraction, used to show that some letters have been taken out of a word to shorten it. For example, cannot equals can't. So can apostrophe T, cannot or can't. I can't go to the shop, Mom. For possession, shows the object belongs to someone. For example, the dog's tail. Semicolon, used to link two independent clauses that are closely related. For example, my dad has a red car. Semicolon, he likes to wash it.